Hey guys, welcome to Tony's phone collection. It's Anthony. We're going to unbox the Samsung SCH-N330 with Alltel. The box is a little rough, but up front you got your quick reference guide, all your books and stuff like that, user guide. Here you have the phone, the battery, the Samsung charger. It takes a special Samsung charger. And also you got a holster that came included. I'll take the phone. We'll take a quick look at it. So, earpiece with LED light up there. Your eject button on one side, your speaker, volume buttons on the other side, the other eject button, and then a 2.5mm headphone jack. At the bottom you have your standard back in the day Samsung charger. Push two buttons and it pops up. It's fully functional. Alright guys, thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos. Thanks.